If you want to add family sharing on Steam in 2026, this video will walk you through the new Steam Family system step by step. Steam has replaced the old family library sharing setup with a much cleaner way to share games with up to 5 other people, giving you 6 total members in one family group. That means you can pool your library, invite friends or family, and make it much easier for everyone to access shared games in one place. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Steam tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that the new system is called Steam Families. If you are the person sharing your games, you'll be the organizer of the family group. Start by opening Steam and looking at the top right corner of the client. Click your profile name there, then select Account Details. On the next page, find Family Management in the left-hand sidebar and click it. This is where all of your Steam family settings live. Once you're inside Family Management, you'll see the option to create a family. Click Create a Family and give your family group any name you want. It can be something simple and easy to recognize since this is just the name for your Steam family setup. After that, you'll want to add the people you want to share with. Click Invite a Member and choose a friend from your Steam friends list. Steam will send them an invite so they can join your family group. Now here's something very important. When you invite someone, Steam will ask you to choose whether they are an adult or a child. If you're sharing with friends or grown family members, choose Adult. This gives them full control over their own participation in the family group. If you're setting this up for an actual child, choose Child instead. Child accounts come with parental controls and they cannot leave the family without help from an adult account. So make sure you choose the correct option before continuing. If you are the person joining a family group instead of creating one, the process is just as easy. First, make sure your friend or family member has already created the Steam family. Then look at the bell icon in the top right corner of your Steam client. That notification area is where your family invites will appear. Open the notification and click Accept on the family invitation. Once you accept it, Steam will automatically add the new Shared Library section to your account. After joining, you should see a new category called Family Library in your Steam Library sidebar. This is where all of the shared games will appear. You can browse the list, download any eligible shared title, and start playing just like you would with your own games. It's a very simple way to give multiple people access to a combined library without constantly logging in and out of different accounts. If you don't see the family library right away, give it a moment and make sure the invite was fully accepted. Also, double check that you're using the correct Steam account, since family access only works when the members are properly linked in the Steam family system. If something still isn't showing up, refreshing Steam or restarting the client can sometimes help the library section appear. And that's it. You've now learned how to add family sharing on Steam using the new Steam Families setup in 2026. Whether you're creating the family group or joining one as a member, it only takes a few clicks, and once it's set up, sharing games becomes much easier for everyone involved. If this guide helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Steam tips, gaming tutorials, and easy step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.